Hi, my name is Jamie McGowan. I am your MCCG 146 instructor. I am from Indiana. A little bit about myself is that I am a mother of two beautiful girls. And in my free time, I like to do anything related to chalk paint. So I love to redo furniture and make them look distressed. For this week and then this course, you're going to be learning about CPT and HICS-BICS2 coding. This is just a basics course, so we will be learning and introducing those things. Part of week one, you are going to learn about the AHEMA standards of ethical coding, and I will assist you on learning how to accurately apply codes. I want you to use me as a resource throughout the term. Don't wait until the last of the term to reach out. Please utilize me as a resource. I will also be offering live sessions throughout the term aside from what is just required, so take advantage of those. I will record those if you can't attend. So I look forward to working with you.